Hey everyone, welcome back. I made a video the other day on an update on all the farm animals, but it was so windy I didn't realize how that was going to butcher the audio, which basically butchered the entire video. And well, I guess I'm going to try to remake that video a little bit. We're going to come down here because we got some new additions to the family, and we're gonna see how they're doing. So we got some little piggies. Where did it come from? So we got some new additions to the family. Got 9 little piggies. Calm down. Look at that. They're so cute. I don't know where that orange one came from. Little oddball. So one thing I've really been wanting to do is make a video on building this fence down on the hunting property, which is going straight through some deep brush, some deep woods. And we've been using this tractor with the auger in the back, which I've never, had it so easy putting in fence posts, but it is takes 2 people to operate this, and it's dangerous if you're not paying attention to what you're doing. And I don't want to be making a video being distracted operating this thing at the same time, which is why I haven't made a video on it yet. But I'm about to go down there and just kind of show you guys the progress that we've made and kind of explain what we're doing, which will make a lot more sense if you actually see it. So there's that little black one of them had almost a month ago now. He's getting big. Hey buddy, what are you doing there? You comfortable? You look comfortable. This pig right here is probably like 700 pounds. It's so big. Alright. I see where that one little piglet came from. Although that's a female, so I'm not really sure how that happened. So that's definitely part of it right there. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We're extending the fence that way and that way, and then it's running way back through there. Don't bite me. So this is probably like 4 acres, if that, and it's gonna be maybe like 20 acres. What are you doing? He thinks I brought him food because I usually bring him some grass. I'll give him a little bit of grass. Here you go, little buddy. Let me pet you. You better hurry up and eat it. This little guy likes me. Well, careful. Anyways, we're gonna have about 20 acres in here, and it might take these pigs quite a while to turn it like this, but hopefully all those new babies we get up there will help out with that. And I think we have 13 down here, and then there's 9 new babies, and then some of these might still have babies this year, so hopefully we get the pig count up quite a bit. And it'll only take them hopefully a year to clear out that 20 acres. But once they get it cleared out to this, all that survives are these big oak trees. It's the only thing the pigs can't take down. So, which is nice for pastures for cows. And the pigs help fertilize it, you know. And they rut everything up, tear literally everything up. So, in a year, once they turn it into this, we'll probably sell all the pigs. And then let some grass grow back and put some cows in here. And it'll be a perfect little pasture. Alright, so the first thing you want to do if you're building a fence through the woods is clear a trail through the woods. And the easiest way to do that is with a bulldozer. I'm not really sure if there's another way to do it, but we used a bulldozer. And that made short work of it, which was really nice and kind of fun to just knock over trees and pretty much anything that got in the way. Nothing that can really stand up to the bulldozer. Plus it can level off the ground, just smooth out where you're going to be fencing, which makes it really easy and convenient to put fence posts in, rather than working on like unlevel ground and stuff. So after you do that, you got to put these, we're doing wooden fence posts and metal T-posts, which the reason behind that is the cows can push on the fence and they can bend the metal T-posts by doing that over time. So if you do every other one wooden and then every other one metal, the fence will hold up to them pushing on it quite a lot longer. You know, fences only last maybe like 20-30 years if you're lucky and you build them right, but it might only last 10 years or maybe even less if you do all metal fence posts and your cows are pushing on that, trying to eat grass on the outside of it, which they will do. We're using oak trees for our corner posts because they're real sturdy. And if you do it right, oh man, there's a rock right there. That's not good. I'll try to figure that out. There's a big rock right there. Bring the shovel. That's a huge rock. Alright, so I'm going to try to eyeball this now and adjust the spike. There's not much I can do about that rock, but I'm going to try to eyeball this with the tree. So now we're going to pound our stake in. So on a T-post you got ribs on one side, which is where your barbed wire goes. You want your barbed wire on the inside of the pen, so if the cows push against it, they won't pop it off the post. They'll just push up against the post. So right there. Take the pounder. Rock. Yeah, this one might not go. Might need to move this rock out with the bulldozer, which is okay. Sometimes you got to do that. So we'll just move on to the next one here. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I got quite a bit of the fence line done here. I'm going to finish it up though. Hopefully we'll bring the bulldozer down here later tonight and push that rock out the way that was getting in the way of my first post. It's a big rock. Maybe I'll videotape that and put that in this video. But that's it for now. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell if you want to get notifications when I upload a video. Got a lot more videos coming. Bear season just opened up. bow season for deer is about to open. Goose season's about to open. Gonna have a lot of hunting videos coming out, hopefully. I gotta squeeze that in with work and everything, but stay tuned and have a good one. There she goes.